Yo, what's good, y'all? Welcome back to another crash video. Today I'll be showing y'all how to sound like Jane Remover. I covered their song Dancing with Your Eyes Closed off their latest album Revenge Seekers. I haven't seen anybody else make a Jane Remover preset, so I went ahead and made one myself. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and play the cover for y'all so y'all can hear what it sounds like.
Unseen forces threaten me thin. Posted punting on the drinks that you had. Promise, baby, I just wanna make it sin. I'm about to crash with my people in the bed. Promise I like it like that. 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 Promise I like. Let them know why I hate them up again.
Alright, so that's how the presets sound like. There's 5 different presets in this pack to set these presets up. I'm gonna put the main in the third slot, layer in the next one, and then ad-lib, and then route for all, and then I put the yell right here. So now you have all the presets set up, and then to route them, the route for all for any of my videos, the route for all means that you unlink the main, the layer, the ad-lib, the yell, any preset that, aside from this one, the route for all plugin, any preset aside from the route for all, you unlink it from the master and you link it here. You link it to the route for all. So boom main, boom layer, boom ad-lib, and then boom yell. And that's that. That's all I had to do for the linking. That's as simple as that. That's all you gotta do. And then these presets use auto-tune. These are the auto-tune settings that I use, because it's not as auto-tuney, but there is a good amount of auto-tune. The song is detuned, so I had to mess with this knob up here. Usually you don't have to do that, but I had to because of the song. This is the OTT settings for the main. I think they're the same. They're relatively the same. In the main, this is the ad-lib OTT settings. And then this is the yell preset. And then the route for all is using this new plugin called Simple Side, which gives that it gives more bounce to the vocal as it cuts off the first beat of each measure. But yeah, look, you could hear this change that it does. I'm gonna turn it on and off for you guys.
Forces threaten me thin. Posted punting on the drinks that you had. Promise, baby, I just wanna make it sin. I'm about to crash with my people in the bed. Promise I like it like that. Promise I like it like that. Promise.
But yeah, you can see it's giving that bounce to the vocals. I'm gonna play the vocals singled out so you can hear each preset. This is gonna be the main preset right here. Well, we just heard the main. I'm gonna play the layer preset so you could hear what that sounds like.
Baby, I just wanna make it sin. I'm about to crash with my people in the bed. Promise I like it like that.
And then this is the ad-libs. These are the ad-libs right here. These orange or yellowish great ones.
Promise I like it like that. Promise I like it like that. Promise I like it like that.
And this is the yell preset.
Promise I like it like that.
So with these, I have both of these going into it. I just pan one of them all the way 100% to the right, the other one 100% to the left, but they're both going into track 8, which is the yell preset. And then this down here, this is just all this is doing is turning off that simple sidechain plugin. So you could see here, you can see it right here. It's off, and then when you get over here in the song, it's on. That's all that's doing. It's just to add variety to being able to turn it on and off. It's not really that important. What else? I covered the end part, the digicore part, if you want to hear. I also covered the digicore part so y'all can hear what the presets sound like on a different type of beat.
I'ma leave this city, I surround this town. Tell your friends and your baby we are going down. I still bite my tongue when I let you drown. Feelings in that bottle, we both underwater. I'ma write this out cause I'm your fucking brother. I say grace and poison side to my mother. I can play hard cause we fucked up now. I can play hard cause we fucked like that now.
And yeah, that's pretty much it for the presets. I actually really like these presets. I might be using these on future songs. And yeah, I'm gonna have the FLP up for you guys as well, so y'all could hear how everything else sounds like. If you want, you can mess with the presets. I don't know, do whatever you want. It helps you look how like the presets are built and with the specific vocals that I've used. And it also comes with the instrumentals and the original vocals of the song as well, if you want to, you know, listen to that and stuff. And yeah, that's pretty much it. We have a Crash Instagram now called @iCrashLOL. So yeah, if y'all want to show support over there, please go ahead. We'll really appreciate that. You know, subscribe, all that, do whatever you gotta do. Thank you for watching, and yeah, have a good day.